Yeah, new motor.
Yeah. I think you can win this one, Dave.
New motor.
Yeah.
You can't lose. Except for the Roomba.
Roomba.
Roomba is Roombaing. Hey, the spot in that square is going to be clean as a whistle.
All right.
Get to the pattern. All right.
Attention all racers, here we go.
Boy, that new motor really helps. Oh, yeah. Roomba gate.
Randy did Roomba gate.
Oh, you stupid Roomba gate.
David did Roomba gate.
Turned on me. Oh, man.
I got a good pass.
ET did Roomba gate.
I got one.
Randy speed 8.9. 2 minutes. David speed 10.0.
I got a little lost for a
Oh,
second.
what the heck is going on?
ET speed 8.1.
I saw that.
David, lap 1, 58.4.
There's a C.
David is Randy, lap 1, 102.0. ET, 105.7. Randy did Roomba gate. David did Roomba gate. ET did Roomba gate. David did Punish gate.
Punish gate fun
You're
day.
not getting out from under there, guys.
1 minute.
Karma.
Did it hit you?
No, he stopped at the start gate and didn't go through it.
Oh, that's
ET
right.
speed 7.7. David speed 1.9.
The karma's going to get you. Do the same thing. Nah, you're not that close. Gonna go for it.
ET, lap 2, 58.7. 30 seconds. ET is leading. David, lap 2, 115.0.
Yes.
ET is Roomba gate. David did Roomba gate. 10 seconds.
Boy.
ET did Punish gate. Randy speed 8.2. Race time. Overtime.
They didn't get 2 laps.
Tied more for some than for others.
David speed 9.2.
Oh boy.
Randy, lap 2, 151.8. Pilot Randy finished in position 3, 44.9 behind. David did Punish gate. ET speed 8.5. Randy did Roomba gate.
Behind you, Davey.
55.8.
Ah, close.
ET, lap 3, 102.6. Pilot ET finished in position 2, 1.5 behind.
1.5 seconds.
David did Roomba gate. Randy did Roomba gate.
I know, you didn't do one of your fast laps.
Didn't do what?
One of your fast laps.
Laps?
One of your fast.
I was going as fast as I
Randy
could.
did
Oh,
Roomba gate.
well, maybe I'm getting faster. Had some good laps. Hey, turn.
ET did Roomba gate. Randy did Roomba gate.